If your home has glass surfaces like windows or stovetops, scratches are likely to occur, but they can often be removed using household products. Cleaning experts recommend starting by cleaning the glass to assess the damage. Shallow scratches can often be treated with simple methods. For instance, you can use a white non-gel toothpaste or a baking soda paste, applying them in circular motions until the scratches diminish. Liquid pumice soap, fine steel wood, or metal polish can also be effective for tougher scratches, while glass polish with cerium oxide is ideal for deeper scratches. Always clean glass with soft, lint-free cloths and avoid hard water to prevent further damage. If DIY methods fail, consider professional help or using a glass scratch filler kit for optimal results.